y'all, so I'm back with an update for the Hot Girl Summer Salad. I am not eating that all day. Let me go ahead and show y'all my little concoction that I use for in between my meals. When I'm dedicated to something, I don't play, okay? And when I saw my back just spreading out wider than my hips, I said no, because this is all your fault. Like, some stuff we just have to take accountability for. And I was really in Starbucks getting like 2 to 3, you know, sugar plum cheese danishes a day. Like, that was all my fault. What I do in the morning time is I make sure I have water. Just from my experience, because everyone's body is completely different. Drinking more water has like most of the bloat that I was talking about, y'all, is low-key gone. Like I said, I don't want to lose more than 10 pounds because I like having a little bit of meat on my bones. I just like to feel healthy. Step number 1, make sure y'all drink more water. I like to eat different fruit bowls. I'm a fruit girl, so before I pick up anything, it's always gonna be fruit for me. I love me some fruit. I think I could survive off just fruit. I don't like soggy fruits or vegetables, so one thing I will say about the Hot Girl Summer Salad, only make what you're gonna eat in that portion, or maybe cut up everything, but don't put the vinegar and the oil on it, because I just don't like, I'm a texture person, I don't like anything soggy. So I do have grapefruit, I have dragon fruit, and we also have some blackberries, y'all. I already cleaned my fruits. It's really therapeutic for me when I peel the skins off. And I'm just gonna take these peels and I'm gonna put them in my car door. I know y'all like to have different ways y'all do stuff, but listen, once I'm stuck in my ways, so I like doing things the way I like to do them. Okay, and that's on period. And I'm only using 1 grapefruit. And if y'all are wondering what my bracelet is, my son got AB honor roll. Yes! Tell him congrats, he's watching. Then I do have a dragon fruit, y'all. Let's just put these blackberries in here real quick. Dragon fruit. These are so pretty in the inside, y'all. And like I said, I don't really care about my cuts being perfect. It's all going down the same throat, baby. And then I'm gonna add my pomegranate seeds over the top. Listen, pomegranate seeds are so hard to find. Like, they're always out of stock. I prefer the ones that are called Fruity Gems, but I had to go hunt these down. I spent like an hour yesterday looking for these. I finally found some in Publix. You don't have to do this, but I do love a good pineapple, so I am gonna add some pineapple chunks into my fruit bowl because I'm that type of girl. Only use 1 kiwi because I feel like I'm gonna definitely be full. If you eat all of this, you're definitely gonna be full. Plus, drinking your full bottle of water, you're definitely gonna be full. And if you are still hungry after this, go to sleep.